Mas Kense. Hello. Comment, comment. Hello everyone. Hello. Cut my lips. Tomorrow we'll be going to my artist of my place because we will repair our place. Hi Echo Preset here. Hello. What's this? Something. Hi. Hi to Sarah Tabari. Hello. Thank you for coming again in my live. Like you Echo Preset. Shout out. I'm good. But still hoping that my YouTube channel will be go down. Look at my views, guys. No, we go. Look, I use fresh milk for my skin. You're nice, thank you. See that? Oh, thank you. You're looking nice. Get out of it. Yeah, finished already. Hello. Why you go? This is a coconut. No, it's milk. It's not milk. It's a fresh cow milk. Fresh cow, which is good for the skin. Baka naman, Leslie. They're pulling this. Look at me now. I'm 42 but still moist. Okay, yeah. I drink and I put it late. Yes, just Risa Gostamero, one of my avid viewers, shout out.